The hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it right into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking in the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up, like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. And then this time, if you like, you can lift your heels, coming on the balls of your feet, strengthening the ankles, and then as you come down, gently lift the toes. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float up in front, they circle all the way around, and then the palms face up. They float right up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, floating down. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you like, you could do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up and then push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And then this time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree right out in front. Then draw the hands in towards the heart, push out to the side. The hands come back to center, push out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time you can tap your toes right out to the side as well. It's a nice little reach with the foot, then bring it back in. Other side, tap the toes right out to the side. This time you can tap the toes out in front, touching down the ball of the foot. Other side, like you're testing out the waters, tapping the toes. All right, this time you can step behind. Other side, tap the toes right behind. And then you can keep going behind, or you can cross diagonally behind. All right, one more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then step in and hug the tree. From here, the palms face each other. The hands drop down. They scoop right out to the sides. Coming back down, and then in front of the heart. Taking a nice deep breath in, and a breath out. Cleansing the lungs. Just clearing out old, stuck energy that's no longer serving you. Breathing out. Breathing in as you come up. Breathing out. All right, one more time, cleansing the lungs. And then this time, the arms circle all the way around and hug the tree. Open. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step out to the side. The bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, circle it around again, warding off. All right, one more time. This time, the bottom hand scoops under, the fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving the energy, going with the flow. And then this time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. And then from here, the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then push back out, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, and then circle it around again, warding off. One more time. And then from here, the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Circle it all the way around, rolling back. Yielding, tuning in to the sensations we normally tune out. And then toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. And then from here, the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail, step in, and then step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back and open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail, step in, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, hug the tree, bring it to center. Then from here, the arms open up wide. They float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. And then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can. And then stepping down, other side, just the arms at first, the crane. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. And then the arms can float all the way up and over. All right, this time you can lift your leg right up in front, and you can even hold it there if you like, as the arms go up and down, touching down as needed. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time on this side, the crane. And then stepping down, other side. Once again, you can lift the leg up or you can keep it down. It's all good. Just meeting yourself where you're at, being kind to yourself. Just riding the breath. One more time. And then stepping down. From here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The wrists cross down low. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time. Harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the palms face each other right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the hands open slightly. As you breathe out, they come back towards each other. Breathing in, open a little bit more. Breathing out, this time big opening, accordion breathing. And then we can do another round, starting off small, then getting a little bit bigger. This time, big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing, starting off small, then a little bit bigger, and then big opening. And then from here, the arms float down, palms face up. They scoop all the way forward, up and over, and then down in front of the body. Breathing in, gathering in the breath, gathering in the energy, letting it wash through the body. The bathing breath. As if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. Then the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, the hands come forward as the hips go back. Then the palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under, two hands offering. Sinking down, rising up, offering love and compassion, offering presence, maybe even forgiveness, and anything else you'd like to see in the world. One more time, two hands offering. And then this time, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, right at the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, scooping under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling into the body, feeling the breath. And then bringing your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow.